Hey, welcome back to Adam's Makerspace on YouTube here. Today I'm doing something a little different. I have from the Dollar Tree just one of these little 8x10 flat canvases, and I am putting on Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. My son is turning 6 here soon. He's having a Sonic themed party. My wife wanted some art projects kids could do while they're at the party. So I'm attempting this, never tried this before to see if this will actually work. I'm using this HTV iron-on vinyl here. My wife went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I don't know if it'll focus on the price. There we go. $1.59 for 72 inches. She got me 12 of these. So I'm going to have some fun with that, working on this project. So as you can see, I have my shape cut out. I have it placed on here. I have not ironed it on yet or pressed it yet. Is more like what I should say, because I'm going to, as usual, use my X-Tool mini heat press. So I'm just going to press, hold for about, I don't know, I've never used this brand of vinyl before, but I'm going to say probably about 10 seconds. That's what I do with most brands. I'm going to do this around the entire design. Then I'll peel it off. We'll see what it looks like. This might be too long for this brand or for using the canvas, because I'm starting to smell something. Something doesn't smell too great, but that'll be fine. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. And we'll see what we end up with. Get my parchment paper out of the way. Looks like it might have stuck. Looks like there's a little bit of residue. I don't know if that's because of the type of vinyl or if it's because I put it on a canvas instead of something else, but that does not look bad at all. I think that worked out quite nicely. I think it's a success. Now I also have some Sonic ones, Amy, which is the pink girl character, and then I have some Knuckles ones. So I'm going to be doing some of those in pink, red, and blue, according to whatever color their character mainly is. But I'm super happy with this. If you want to pick up an X-Tool mini press like I used, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since it will be an affiliate link. If you want to make projects like this, head on over to the Dollar Tree, grab yourself a canvas for $1.25. If you have a Hobby Lobby near you, you can check if they have any vinyl for $1.59 too. It is better quality than the Dollar Tree vinyl. Otherwise, use whatever vinyl you have. And it's quite easy to make images like this. So I definitely recommend giving this a shot. And then you can either use marker like we're going to be doing on them, or paint pens, or acrylic paint, watercolor paint, whatever you want to use. Have fun with it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you have a great day.